everyone. It's already 11 p.m. but it's still morning. And today is my first day as a junior. Wow! Junior, I'm already in my junior year. And that was fast. But ang schedule natin for this semester is, I think, I'm claiming very light kasi I only have 2 days of classes, Tuesday and then Thursday, and then di ko pa sure kung anong schedule ng field study namin, but yun lang yung days na may classes kami and the rest are free or not. I'm not really sure, but yeah. Anyways, so my fit for today is so basic. It's giving third year na parang freshy pero hindi ka fresh. Hindi. Parang ano, kasi diba, like, we're educations, like, so I have this blazer. Kasi, maulan ngayon. Supposedly, September 1 talaga yung first day of classes. Pero nagsuspend kahapon. So, na-move siya today. So, ayan. Ito siya. Ito, jeans. This is my favorite jeans ever. And, Yup. Yeah. Anyway, yun lang naman yung fit natin for today. Well, ang class ko pa naman today is 12. Oo, at 11 na. So, I guess I gotta go. Yeah, I guess it's time to go. I'm gonna update you guys sa mga mangyayari today. I think wala naman masyado. So, bye!
Kami ni John.
Kasi ay asin kasi yata yung sa FTR.
Oo, kasi mag-ano pa siya, Hi guys, welcome to the first day of the everything and wala pa pong classes, so chill muna for now. Pero may field study na kasi, so hindi natin alam kung ano i-expect, pero
So today is our first day as a junior. Wala kaming klase. Anong masasabi mo dahil ito ang first day natin pero wala tayong klase?
Thank you, Lord.
Yes.
Parang babalik tayo sa pagiging...
Andito tayo ngayon para kamustahin ang mga freshies natin sa kanilang first day of school. Tara.
Hello everyone, my name is Lulu and I am from the Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English 3-1.
Okay, why did you choose English as your major?
I chose English as my major po kasi my mother nasa ospital kasi siya ngayon.
No. Speak in English. Cut mo na. Cut the camera. Guys, wala na po kaming pasok. Like, it's so suspended. Ay, hindi pala suspended. Cancelled lang kasi pagod ang aming mga profs. So, anong masasabi mo?
Thank God.
Kasi
tatlo lang kami at least salamat. Tatlo lang kami sa place na lang kami nagtalo-talo.
Anong masasabi mo? Na wala tayong pasok?
Masaya, makakapagpahinga. Nagpanggap siya.
In this video, we only want authenticity. So guys, kapag saglit lang si Carla muna.
Ang masasabi ko ay buti na lang at makakalaya na ako yung friend mo.
I know that's right.
Wait lang, wala pa.
So guys, pag pupunta kayo dito sa Capsu, you should try this. Ate, anong pangalan ng store nila? Jolly Sis. You should get me as your ambassador. Bakit naman to? This is the Thai milk.
Galit siya. Kaya ang over. Inikot-ikot ni Mil yung kami.
Kaya nga eh. Para kaming nasa Thailand, y'all. This is Thai
May
milk.
iba sa buhok mo, be. Maiksi yung ganito mo.
Anyways, y'all.
Tutubig ka.
So guys, kami po ay pauwi na. Yeah, bakit kasi naka-backpack ka? Ikaw ba yan?
Nagdala ko ng uniform.
Okay. So, hindi ikaw yan. Si Will ay nasa alter ego niya pa. Hindi pa...
Alter ego.
Ano yun? So guys, nakauwi na ako. Magde-debrief tayo sa mga nangyari. Wala nga nangyari. Wala kasing nangyari. Kaya tayo papag-usapan kasi wala nga nangyari sa first day na ito dahil walang nagklase. So, bakit ka pa pumasok? Diba? At least nakakuha tayo ng baon Wala, hindi na naman napagod kasi half day lang din naman ako. Pero bukas, tomorrow is our oath taking. Kasi, sa student leader kasi ako. So, tomorrow yung oath taking namin. Pero wala kaming class tomorrow. Wala talaga kaming schedule tomorrow. It's just the oath taking. So, half day lang din yun. And then, sa Thursday pa, yung actual na may klase kami hanggang 8 p.m. So, yun lang. This is good.
I'm extra
Anong masasabi mo dahil mag-oath taking ka na bilang official governor ng Accents?
Hashtag.
Before tayo mag-pledge, dapat na
opportunity ang ating dean at ating department chair po. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po. Sunod naman po natin ang
halaan. Paano natin i-guide yung mga leaders, teacher education circle, all of the cheer staff, teacher education.
thank you so much po.
Guys, this is our second day as a junior. So, anong masasabi mo, Riley, na second day mo na?
Wala, it's very exciting.
Alam mo,
Tinanong ako, hindi ako pinagsasabi. Very exciting guys because we got to have our orientation for our field study and also some of our subjects. It seems
nakain na po kami.
Sana hindi siya magalit. Or hindi, pero ano naman ako naman. Half naman kami nagpahal. Actually, more than
300 sa'yo.
Sa akin, 300. Tinanong ko muna nga sa kanya, kaya nga siya I forgot his face. Pero I will. Talaga to, mamamatay talaga ako.
So guys, today is Saturday. Normally, wala talaga akong pasok ng Sabado. Pero I'm gonna go to school kasi meron kaming parliament meeting. First parliament meeting bilang appointed officers. Wow! Pinili ko to. So, let's go guys. Let's go!
One touch chance kay Rob. Senior natin to.
Classmate, yung ano, transition.
Tenet.
Meron. Wala pa daw siyang pang ano. Ito, auto exposure.
So, next is
Kaya ka malimuloy kasi wala kang cross-to-open kayo.
So, ako discussion
Si JR.
So guys, I'm on my way home early kasi have personal errands at umuulan.